Understanding top of the heap in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, top of the heap. Understanding such phrases is crucial for mastering the English language. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and some examples to help you get a grip on this unique expression. Stay tuned. Top of the heap is a phrase used to describe being the best in a group or category. It's often used to talk about people or things that are considered the most successful or important in a particular field. The word heap here refers to a pile or a large number of things, and being at the top signifies being the most prominent or successful among them. This phrase has interesting origins. It's believed to have come from the way items are often piled up in a heap, with the most visible or significant item being at the very top. Over time, this visual representation turned into a metaphor for success and prominence in various fields, from business to sports. To understand it better, let's see how top of the heap is used in sentences. 1. After years of hard work, she is now at the top of the heap in her profession. 2. This brand is considered the top of the heap when it comes to luxury cars. Notice how the phrase emphasizes superiority and a position of being the best. When using top of the heap, remember, it's used to describe a position of superiority. Avoid using it to describe something at the bottom or of low quality. I hope this explanation clears up the meaning and usage of top of the heap. Remember, mastering such phrases will add flair to your English and help you understand native speakers better. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be at the top of the heap in your English language journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.